Snow blankets the food forest where the green used to grow. Fence lines and food plots buried below. Sugar shack standing through ice and through rain. Silent white covers the scars and the pain. Last year this time, boards were scattered and torn. The workshop fell in that brutal storm. I stood in the cold where the roof once stood proud. Prayed for the strength just to make my dad proud. Snow on the ground, sun in the sky. Drone is lifting slowly while the geese fly by. We've come a long way, but we're still not done. There's healing in light when the winter sun comes. There's work yet to do while my mind roams. But hope finds its way back home. From the wreckage and losses to tomorrow's best try. Snow on the ground, sun in the sky. Tracks through the powder where Optimus rolled. Thor in the shop, shining steel in the cold. Containers lined up on the limestone base, proof that we're building a stronger place. Tools reorganized, memories remain. Some things were lost, but not what we've gained. Thea beside me, steady and true. We rebuild together, that's what we do. Snow on the ground, sun in the sky. Drone is lifting slowly while the geese fly by. We've come a long way, but we're still not done. There's healing in light when the winter sun comes. There's work yet to do, miles yet to roam. But hope finds its way back home. From the wreckage and loss to tomorrow's best try. Snow on the ground, sun in the sky. From frozen earth come springtime dreams. Hazelnut rose in our forest streams. Leaf mold piles and seedlings to grow. Life waits beneath the snow. I sent that drone where the summer will be, tracing the paths I still can't see. Planning adventures for the warm months will bring. Faith in the thaw and the promise of spring. Snow on the ground, sun in the sky. Shadows grow short as the daylight climbs high. We've come a long way and we'll keep moving on. Winter is tough, but it doesn't last long. There's work yet to do, but we'll give it our best with grateful hearts and a little less stress. From storm-broken beams to clear blue skies, snow on the ground, sun in the sky. Yeah, the snow still falls, but so does grace. We're still building this place.